Epson printers are designed to provide high-quality output. If you notice a decline in quality, you should check the print head and clean it if necessary. Follow the steps in this video to clean your print head correctly and avoid damage to your printer. Before you start, make sure plain paper is loaded in the printer, the output tray is extended, and the ink level in each tank is above the lower line. You may be able to clear your print head with a few quick cleanings. If the initial cleanings don't fix the issue, note that you may have to turn your printer off and avoid using it for 12 hours. Press the Home button. Select Maintenance and press OK. Then select Nozzle Check and press OK. Press the Start button to print a nozzle check pattern. Check the printed pattern to see if there are any gaps in the lines. If you don't see any gaps, your print head isn't clogged. Select No and press OK. Then see your online user's guide for help if you are still seeing print quality problems. If you do see gaps, select Yes and press OK. Select Yes and press OK again. Then press the Start button to clean the print head. When cleaning is complete, you see a message on the LCD screen. Select Nozzle Check and press OK. Then press the Start button to print another nozzle check pattern. Check the printed pattern. If you still see gaps in the pattern, run another head cleaning. You can run up to 3 head cleanings. If you still see gaps in the nozzle check pattern after 3 cleanings, turn your printer off and wait at least 12 hours. Then, turn the printer back on and print another nozzle check pattern. If you still see gaps in the pattern, you can run a power cleaning. Turn the printer off. Check the ink levels and make sure each tank is at least 1/3 full. Press and hold the Power and Help buttons at the same time until the power cleaning starts. When the power cleaning is finished, print a nozzle check pattern. If you still see gaps in the pattern, contact Epson for support.